Is information embodied in clothing? My recent keynote at the CoLIS conference was mainly about information science and leisure. At the same time, I attempted to demonstrate an affirmative answer. Yes, clothing is a document. Across my presentation slides, information appeared as red, and the context of leisure was shown in black. By the end, both information and the leisure context were flowing together, as happens in life. During the keynote, I wore a red patterned dress. On the next day of the conference, I appeared in the same dress with a black design. Then I sported a dress in which a red thread was stitched into a black fabric, bringing the two realities conclusively together. Why did I do this? Because I believe a keynote can be a performance with embodied and aesthetic properties. My dresses were extensions of the concepts on my slides. Hopefully people, especially students, were sparked over 3 days to think about information, leisure, life, including clothing and information science in new ways. You can catch a remake of my keynote at INFIDEOS.